Do you really need a lawyer if you're innocent? Hey, you've been arrested, charged with a crime, given a citation, but you're innocent. Do you need an attorney? Personally, I would hire an attorney, and I am an attorney. Here's the deal. Cops lie. Everybody lies, but cops lie too. And there's a difference. Here's the unfortunate reality. The truth doesn't matter in court. All that matters in court is what evidence there is. And so if the evidence says you're guilty, you're guilty. Unless you can put on that evidence, so, but they have to prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. That's a standard in criminal. You've got to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty of the crime. So you could be innocent, but the evidence is there to convict you. Great example, there's like 300 people that have been subsequently exonerated that were on death row for murder that were actually innocent. They had attorneys and they were still convicted and sentenced to death, even though they were innocent. So yeah, if you're innocent, get an attorney, because you might say something wrong, you might get tripped up. Prosecutors are good attorneys, they'll trip you up if you try and testify. You need to know what your rights are. You need help being guided through the process. So yeah, if you're innocent, especially if you're innocent, hire an attorney.